Hey, it's Greg Luther, and listen, very important message for you in this video because we're going to talk a little bit about what's actually working in today's marketplace. As you know, the market's changed drastically due to this whole pandemic thing and everything else. I want you to start thinking about what you need to be doing on video so that you can meet people without physically meeting people. So as we get through the Christmas season here, which I have a special announcement for you, by the way, you want to make sure you watch this because I have a very special announcement on something that's totally free. It's going to help you in closing a lot more business. But you really want to think about where you need to be going with your business in 2021. Pandemic's not over, not going to be over for the first quarter of next year anyway. It's going to be continuing, but the real estate market is hotter than it's ever been in the history of America. As you've seen, homes are getting 15 offers. You should be raking in the money right now. Anybody that says the pandemic is a problem has a marketing issue because we know the market is as hot as can be. If you guys can still see the ladders over there, I don't know if you can see that right about there. We just got our tree put together, mostly put together. This thing is huge. This is a live tree, goes all the way up 20 some feet, and then an awesome chandelier for a tree topper. Isn't that cool? But anyway, we just got that done here over the weekend. But I want you to think about in 2021, where are you going with your real estate business, and what specifically are 2 or 3 things you're going to put in place to generate consistent revenue for yourself based on what's going on in the world today. Many of you know that each year we do a New Year's Day training. This year, probably the most important one we've ever done because, of course, the world has changed drastically. You have to know what's working today. And when you've got some things that just flat out work, they're making money for everybody that uses them, and particularly when you can do them for free, that is something you want to have within your real estate business as well. You should be capitalizing on what's actually going on in today's market, which, by the way, as many of you have seen here, you should be commenting on this video here. You should be commenting where you live, what city you practice in, because we get a lot of referrals agent to agent. You guys can just contact each other directly. You don't even have to work through me. Just contact each other directly with all the referrals that you have. So you should be commenting with your name and the city and state in which you sell. But anyway, your approach moving forward in 2021, we're going to lay all of that out on the New Year's Day training. It's totally free to attend, but there is a catch. The catch is it's Zoom, and they will only accept 1,000 attendees. Every single year, we're completely sold out. We used to use GoToWebinar back in the day. They had a 1,000 member cap as well. But only 1,000 agents can get on this webinar. I literally just finished the opt-in page a half hour ago. So the first 1,000 people that get registered are going to be able to participate in that New Year's Day training, where we will be covering the specific things you need to be using to utilize some free marketing to generate revenue in this new, what we'll consider post-pandemic market, right? It's going to continue for a while, of course, but I want you to get access to that. I want you to get registered for that. It will make a tremendous difference for your business. We usually spend, it goes for a while, it's about an hour and a half, 2 hours on exactly laying out what 2021 should look like for your business. So it's a business building training class. And I want you to be registered for that as well. If that's something you're interested in, by the way, you should be clicking the like button right here. You should like this video if you would like to participate in that totally free training. But we do it every year. I don't need to push anybody into it because, of course, the 1,000 spots are going to be completely full. Our members will be on there. Non-members will be on there. Virtually anybody that sells real estate that wants to grow their 2021 revenue, there's very specific approaches that you should be using, and I'm going to teach you that live on that training. It's going to be New Year's Day at 2 p.m. Eastern, which is 11 Pacific. You'll be hearing some stuff coming up about it, but again, it will fill up quickly as it always does. So you'll want to press the like button if that's something that you're interested in getting details on. I'll give you the website address. I literally just finished it. Look, I've got it right here on my laptop. I literally just finished it, so you can see it. If you go to newyearnewagent.com. Again, newyearnewagent.com, both singular, newyearnewagent.com. That's going to get you the registration page where you can sign up for the January 1st training. Again, it's 2 o'clock Eastern time, 11 Pacific. We've got some awesome stuff we'll be covering. I will be talking about some offline approaches, but I'll be talking about some online approaches as well. Namely, some of the stuff that our agents are using. Same thing I use. I do Facebook Live, and we market that to our desired prospects. Do you know how cheaply you can do that? Far, far less than a penny a person to do that right there in your local marketplace. Let's say a 15-mile radius, you can become famous in that local area. We're going to show you some offline approaches that are working well. We'll talk about that cash offer program that's working extremely well. We'll talk about Facebook and how people are doing some marketing that way. A lot of digital stuff you can do. So online and offline approaches, but I think you'll find it helpful. Right now, you should be focused on your 2021 revenue. Frankly, any client you pick up from this day forward is going to be next year's income, not this year. So I want you to take action for yourself and really make it a big year. You can't start January 1st and think you're going to have a huge year. You might be behind the 8 ball. So anyway, we've got a lot of training coming up, but that New Year's Day is always a big one. I just wanted to give you an advanced warning because it will fill up very quickly. And actually, as I can see here, it's filling up as we're talking. So that will fill up very fast. And again, as always, it's totally free to get your game right, to get you making lots of money in the new year. I think you'll find it incredibly helpful. So grab your spot for that. Anyway, hopefully you're enjoying the holiday season, what you're allowed to enjoy. You know, you're only allowed to get together, but COVID comes out at 10 o'clock, so you can't get together at 10 p.m. or later. And, you know, it's only if there's 8 people, but if there's 9 people, COVID shows up and all that stuff. So you enjoy your holiday as much as you can here, but I think you'll find that 2021 is going to be big for you if you take action for yourself. So we've got some cool training coming up. Check it out, newyearnewagent.com, www.newyearnewagent.com. I want you to be a new agent. I want you to start making a lot more money. That'll make you feel new again. So anyway, I am flying out of town today, heading up north, checking out some property, and hoping to find some places for my horses. So we'll see how well that goes, and we'll talk to you guys soon. Maybe I'll talk to you from up there. I'm not sure. It'll be a whole lot colder than it is here. I won't be in a t-shirt, I'll tell you that much. So go make some money. Let me know if there's anything I can do to help you. Just send me a direct message here. Make sure you're watching all of our videos here, by the way. There's tons of content on our Facebook page. Feel free to binge watch for a while. Make sure you have that you're following our page and you turn on notifications. That's the only way you're going to know when I go live. I might go live. Next time I go live, I might have a horse standing beside me here. Maybe he's got something to tell you directly from the horse's mouth. But anyway, make sure you're following the page, turn on notifications, and check out all of the video content that's available for you free of charge. We'll talk to you soon. I'm Greg Luther, and bye-bye for now. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that video, and we have a lot more information to share with you as well. I want you to do 3 important things so that we can start growing your real estate business immediately. First and foremost, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. Now, if you don't have a YouTube account, you can set one up. It's totally free, very easy to do. But you want to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and then make sure you ring the bell. If you ring the bell, you're turning on notifications, so it'll let you know every time we load new videos, and we load new training content for you nearly every single day. Now, additionally, I've got a big bonus for you because every week I choose one agent that I'm going to do a one-on-one coaching call with. Let me tell you how we choose them. You'll want to comment on this video below because every week we choose one person from the comments that I'm going to help them in growing their real estate business. So leave a comment below on the video that you just watched. What'd you think about it? Do you like it? Are you trying it? Is it something you're intrigued by or want more information on? Leave a comment below and we choose someone every single week that I have a one-on-one coaching call with. So 3 important things. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, ring the bell to get notifications, and then leave a comment on this video below. We'll plan on seeing you soon.